Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about building that rock-solid foundation. Today, we're unveiling a fantastic push-up workout designed specifically for beginners. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, we have the temple tap push-up. This exercise targets your triceps and upper chest, and it even helps you develop more strength in that area. Trust me, you'll feel the burn in no time. Next on our list is the shoulder tap push-up. This exercise not only strengthens your core, but also improves your balance and stability. Remember to maintain perfect form throughout the entire movement. And finally, we have the single arm push-up. This advanced move challenges your upper body strength and stability by requiring you to control one side of your body at a time. It might be tough at first, but with practice and dedication, you'll master it in no time. So there you have it, 3 essential push-up exercises to help you build a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Give this workout a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome workout tips and routines. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay strong and keep pushing.